Hello, today I'm going to show you another unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you this PITAKA case for your iPhone 15 Pro. And additionally, it's compatible with the MagSafe system. It's slim and light. iPhone 15 Pro case. For the 6.1 inches iPhone, of course, with a case-less touch feeling. 600D Aramid Fibre mate. This is the MagEZ Case 4 in black gray. It's also on the market, available in different other colors and thicknesses. Black gray, Break the Line, Milky Way Galaxy, Moonrise, Overture, Over the Horizon, black gray and trilled designed, Overture, Sunset, or Rhapsody. All this comes to you by PITAKA and makes a good job to protect your phone. Because we have premium materials. This is made from selected 600D Aramid fiber, which is widely used in aerospace and military applications. Unlike carbon fiber, this fine weaved case will not interferences with the signal, and it's not conductive, offering a long-lasting protection for our phone and prevent color fading and daily scratches. The raised camera lip offers a great protection to our camera lens too. And the thinnest and lightest case ever. That means the light as $2 coins and thin as a credit card. This iPhone 15 Pro case adds no extra bulk and offers a case-less feel for your iPhone 15 Pro. And very comfortable to hold or to grip this device here. It's designed to improve the user's extra hold and comfort with unique 3D grip technology. Smooth but non-slippy. The rim of the back of the phone is crafted through the chain firing process, which looks more slim and stylish while ensuring a comfortable hold. And it's fully compatible with the MagSafe system. Fully, baby, means all devices which are compatible with the MagSafe system, like MagSafe chargers and accessories, and of course all PITAKA Flow for the iPhone, the MagEZ Car Mount, the MagEZ Slider, and the MagEZ Sleeve 3.0 can have a connection with that case, and of course with your smartphone. Due to the MagSafe Slim Board technology, the MagEZ Case 4 offers the same wireless charging speed as without a case. And in this case, it's only compatible with the iPhone 15 Pro 6.1 inches. Also on the market by PITAKA are this device for all other iPhone 15 which are possible to buy. The rim on the front is polished through zero grapping with a round-edge design to avoid sharp edges, protect our phone's front screen too, and allows us to apply a screen protector, which is not included. If you apply an additionally screen protector, and maybe if you need it, a camera protector, you have a 360 degrees protection of your iPhone 15 Pro. The PITAKA means Alternative Tech Life support for us here. It brings us a case-less feel. Light, thin, MagSafe compatible Aramid Fibre phone case. This is the MagEZ Case 4 for our iPhone 15 series. We have 0.670Z weight and an 0.04 inches thickness. That's really cool. The MagSafe Slim Board technology comes with it. Infuse the power and 52SH magnets and resin into one thin plate, making the overall case 33% thinner and 26% lighter than before. And we have an RFID chip built in. The RFID equipment case lets us see that our NFC-enabled phone to check the case's authenticity and access to games, wallpapers, and music from PITAKA itself, if you like it. If you like a little bit more protection, you can buy the MagEZ Case Pro 4. In this case here, as shown, is the MagEZ Case 4. The weight is 0.66 up to 0.78 off. The thickness is 0.04 inches. The protection is partial, and on the other side, you can buy the MagEZ Case Pro 4. This weight 1.14 up to 1.33 OZ. Thickness is 0.06 inches. The protection is then a full protection mount. You can choose. It works with MagEZ Car Mount Pro. The phone car mount with 15 watt wireless charging function that our phone can attach magnetically to it easily, and works with MagEZ grip. The mobile phone ring and a mobile phone stand that is always firmly attached to our phone by using the magnet halo on the backside of our case. Then it's compatible with the MagEZ Card Sleeve 3.0. We attaches magnetically to the back of our phone and holds 2 bank cards or 4 business cards. And it is also compatible with the MagEZ Slider 2. That is a 2-in-1 MagSafe charger. The magnetic power bank with 2-in-1 charging design brings us an efficient life experience. A journey through boundless time and space. This is possible with this. And it comes with a green package. That's good for our planet. This is really easy to attach your phone to it because it is a small and lightweight case. This is the PITAKA case, MagEZ Case 4. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.